guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I am driving, but I wanted to kind of make more of a personal video and drop it before our next install video. The next install video is going to be coming real soon. It's going to be a self-install of a quick disconnect for the front axle on my wife's 2019 JLU Sahara. It doesn't have a whole lot of modifications to it, but we did put 33s on it. The Rubicon factory wheels and tires. So having a front disconnect will help a little bit with articulation. Really excited to get that one going. But that'll be the last video for a while because the major news is that we're going to be relocating out of Southern California and about an hour away from Big Bear and those massive rock crawling trails to Southern Arizona. And you know, there's not a lot of rock crawling out there, but that said, the economy's a lot different than California's, and things are going to be a lot more affordable as far as just daily living, and then politics aside, just ready to get out of California. So that's the big thing. So I just kind of wanted to drop more of a personal update for you guys because we're up to almost 300 subscribers now, and you know, I really appreciate everybody subscribing and watching the videos and the commenting and stuff, because it takes a lot of work to put in these installs and then edit them all and then put them together for other people to be able to see. But I, you know, I have a lot of changes coming. We're going from a 3-car garage that we have now to a 2-car garage. So hopefully we're still able to do some good install videos, because that summer heat's brutal, and without a garage it's going to be almost impossible in summer to do an install without being baked alive. However, yeah, that's it. That's the big news. Going to be making a transition to Arizona, so a little bit more free America. I look forward to looking at some of those trails. If any of you guys are out there in Arizona, please let me know of some places that I can go and have some decent family time. Nothing too crazy. The family kind of doesn't really like putting the vehicle in the spots that are gonna damage it and make it inoperable. Some of these places in Southern California offer. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. And that's about it. So, you know, thanks for stopping by. If you like these kind of videos, let me know. I'll post more of them. I don't feel like my life is too interesting, that's why I don't really do all that stuff. But yeah, any kind of install ideas, anything that you've been looking at installing yourself, maybe I can look at doing the install and sacrificing some time and maybe even parts to put in certain things that maybe you're wondering if you can do. But other than that, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate the support, and look forward for that next video to drop on Exfil Off-Road in the very near future.